Welcome to Smooth As Speakers. Today I want to show you the F100. I'll show you how to turn it on. You hold this button in, turns on the motor.
Bluetooth mode.
Once you turn it on, it goes straight to Bluetooth. And your code for the Bluetooth is the number plate. Push this button now, go through photo mode, radio mode. Scan the stations holding this button. This button here, and it will scan all your stations. Another function is USB, and we throw in a 2 gig USB with 5 songs on it from Brad and Brody. Here it goes, we'll put in the USB.
Play mode.
And it goes straight to the song. Hold this in to turn the volume up. There's a speaker on the top and a speaker underneath. To turn it down, hold this button in. To charge the F100 Bluetooth speaker up, you get this lead with it, put this in the back in the DC input, and then just connect it to any USB charger. We also throw in a 3-month warranty from Smooth As Speakers. Charge it up overnight to get about 8 hours playtime the next day. There you have it, the F100 Bluetooth speaker.